is in the last country! Hello, this is the final part of my cycling trip. You can check out part 1 and 2 in my videos previously. And now we have successfully arrived in Greece after crossing Albania. And after setting up our tent, we decided to go for a swim because the beach was just beautiful. I think those are for biting.
Yeah, that's like thanks or something. No, it's like feeling your prayer and stuff. Oh my god, it makes such a gross sound.
Good morning, it's 27th of October and I don't think it's morning, I think it's about 2:40 in the day. And I'm today cycling with Ruben. We're at the beach in, not Croatia, I want to say Croatia, but we're in Greece and I'm just drying my things out here because it was super humid night and today's goal, as always, is unknown. We'll see where it brings us.
We will try to cross the tunnel for free and with the bicycles doing, we will get it. I don't want to sleep here.
I close the freezer.
Yeah, but I like here in a box with like.
After a couple of days cycling with Ruben, we had to split up because he had to go to Athens and I still had about 2 weeks. So we split it up on Patras and then again I was by myself. And this was from one side my favorite part of the trip, but from the other side it was also really sad and lonely. But I really enjoyed this part of the trip, to be alone again. So today I'm going to Olimpia, which is the place where the Olympic Games begun. I'm fighting with the last hill. I'm just 2 kilometers before Olimpia and it's quite hot here. It's really hot. Luckily the road is not too busy, but yeah, we're getting there and soon enough we will see the birthplace of Olympic Games. This is my last sunset here on the west coast of Greece and overall on this side of the coast. Luckily it's really beautiful and I want to show you. Oh, I will miss this. I'm saying it's the last one because after that I'm going more inland, I'm going more to the central of Peloponnese, then I'm going more to the east. So I will only see sunrises after that. It's 4th of November and it's about 7 and 10 minutes. And here goes the sunrise. Beautiful. Oh, someone's really angry. So good morning, I'm in Kalamata in market and food market. It's Saturday and today was supposed to have a crazy storm and tomorrow as well, so I'm staying luckily, look how big cabbage. So I'm luckily staying with warm shower hosts and I can stay there for tonight. I stayed last night, probably gonna stay tonight and maybe tomorrow. So I'm very grateful I can stay for 3 days, but yeah, at the moment it's sunny, so I feel guilty.
I got there about 9:15.
Kitty?
I knew something was.
Wow, this looks really unreal. So beautiful. There's a village on the side. Really cool. I come and I always see the serpentines, the switchbacks, and I'm like, wow, am I doing this? Really? Oh, beautiful morning. It's cold though, but it's nice. It's so peaceful. It's really nice. So this is my dessert. It's oats with chocolate and with dark chocolate and with some strawberry jam. It's the dessert after dinner. Here's my little station. Beautiful, beautiful place for tonight. I know this is not the last day. It's Sunday and my last day is on Tuesday. That's when I'm gonna arrive in Athens. But I feel like this was it's the end. This is the end, and this was so hard today. The cycle was, and I went to the archaeological site in Epidauros. It was beautiful, but I just felt, I was like, this is it. I'm done with the trip. I know I still have 2 days, and tomorrow is a very easy day. It's only maybe 25 kilometers, and then I will do some detour, but yeah, it feels so hard. I was just exhausted, and I did 64 kilometers, but okay, it was 1,000 meters up and down, so yeah, I feel really tired, but I feel happy, and I have a lot of realizations about the trip, about myself, and about life. So I think that's great. Yeah, no, I'm happy. Going to Athens. So I did it. I cycled from Italy to Greece, crossing 7 countries, and I did over 3,000 kilometers on my own. I met a lot of people, but now it's time for new adventure, and I'm going to New Zealand.